spill it. Careful. Don't spill any. Mox. Relax. Come on, Oliver.
Yeah, you got it. Okay, let's go put it down for Mox.
Come on, Oliver. Oh, you're Okay, let's pick some up. That's we pick this one up. Put it in the bowl. Great. Now let's carry the bowl. We grab the bowl.
Get the bowl, Oliver.
Get the bowl, Oliver. Mox, sit.
Let's go put it in the kitchen for Moxie.
Grab the bowl. Come on.
Mox.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Thank you, Oliver.
Thank you, Oliver.